Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the correct clip. A small alligator or snap holds short lengths better. Work with slightly damp or texturized hair so fibers interlock with the clip teeth. Next, take a thin section about 1/2 inch wide and pinch it between finger and thumb. This gives a clean anchor point. Once done, angle the clip so teeth face the scalp and slide in close. This minimizes slippage and sets the foundation for the next steps. Now you secure and shape. Insert the clip close to the scalp at about a 45 degrees angle to create tension. That bite prevents the clip from sliding out. If ends are too short, twist or lightly fold them toward the scalp before closing the clip. This tucks stray pieces and gives a cleaner look. For thicker or layered zones, add a second clip slightly offset. That distributes hold and keeps the shape neat without pinching or flattening your hair. To finish, set the clips with a light hairspray or a small burst of texture spray at the roots. This locks placement without stiffness. Once set, remove any loose flyaways by pinching and tucking, then check balance in the mirror. If a clip slips, reopen and reclamp a smaller 1/3 to 1/2 inch section for better hold. If it still snags the hair, add a tiny bit of styling wax or place a cotton pad between clip and hair to protect strands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.